My brothers and sisters, a Jewish man asked me, why do you people wish Israel evil? The other day, he said to me, why do you wish Israel evil? And I found that question extremely strange that it's even being asked. Who said we wish Israel or Jews evil? Under Islamic rule, under the Muslim rule, our Islamic empire is known in history to be the only empire who ever gave the rights and peace to both Jews and Christians and other people of different religions under the Islamic rule, in Palestine, in Jerusalem and everywhere else. It's strange. Rasul ﷺ said, for example, whoever wrongs a mu'ahid, a non-Muslim living under Muslim rule, whoever harms them or wrongs them, detracts from him or takes from his rights, or burdens him or her with more work than he is able to do, takes something from him without his consent, I will plead for him. Rasul ﷺ said, I will plead for him, the non-Muslim, or I will be the opponent of the Muslim who wronged him on the day of resurrection. The hadith is in Abu Dawood. In Germany, the Jews were confined to concentration camps. The Germans under Hitler even massacred hundreds of thousands of them in gas chambers. But ironically, the descendants of those victims of the Holocaust now subject the Palestinian Arabs, Christians and Muslims alike to ghettos and other grave oppressions, just like what happened to them. In Christian West, the Christian West unjustly relegated the Jewish people as a whole for something their ancestors did to the ghettos of Western cities. Palestinians are the only people, these poor Palestinians, the only people who did not take part in World War I and World War II. They're the only people who did nothing of violence, who welcomed the Jewish people from around the world to come back. And of course there were some already in Palestine. Welcomed them and lived with them in harmony. And they're the only ones who they persecute now as if they are the ones who caused these harm to them. In pre-1917, 1948, Jews, Christians and Muslims lived harmoniously and peacefully, neighbor to neighbor, face to face. Everybody worshipped and was happy for centuries in Palestine. Post-1948, however, Israel uprooted the Palestinians, killed them, massacred them, destroyed them, persecuted them, did ethnic cleansing, threw them out of their homes, stole their lands, caused them to be in Gaza in an open prison before Hamas came out, even before, for 75 years. And now a genocide is happening, ethnic cleansing in every name of the word, against all international law, against the UN resolutions. And then this person asks me, why do you guys hate Israel or want evil on Israel? SubhanAllah, we don't want evil on Israel. We don't want evil on Jews. We don't want evil on Christians. Islam doesn't want evil on anybody. We want goodness for everybody. Rahmatan lil alameen, Allah sent Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a mercy to mankind. Give us a chance to help you and advise you. We want you to be guided to the Islam, but not through violence. However, with all this, a person asks me, why do you want evil? We hate injustice. We hate injustice. And Allah hates injustice.